How to check in online on Sunexpress. Today's tutorial is very simple because I'm gonna teach you how to check in online on Sunexpress. Well, checking into Sunexpress online is really easy. You just have to go to the Sunexpress website. You'll see you have three options when you're in: book a flight and check in and my bookings. So, click on check in. When you're on the other page, scroll down, then choose Sunexpress bookings. Then, you just need to simply provide your bookings code, your name, and your surname. And that's it, you just checked into Sunexpress.